All right, you guys, it's that time of year again. Jeffree Star mystery boxes are releasing this Friday. So I wanted to talk about it with you guys, along with which box he completely did away with, because that kind of surprised me a little bit. I'm not going to lie. Along with the F-Proof mascara. Definitely got some pros and cons with this that I wanted to talk to you guys about, because it may not be as F-proof as Jeffree claims. So we're going to talk about that, the mystery boxes, and so much more. So if you guys are ready, let's get into it right now. Hey you guys, long time no see. I know, but if you guys didn't catch my last live, I told you guys I was gonna have to take the weekend off away from the internet because we had to completely clean our house and spring clean it from top to bottom, because we have our lease renewal coming up. And since we leased this house from a realty agency, they do a walkthrough once a year before it's time for us to renew our lease, and that's basically what we had to do. Just, cleaning everything top to bottom, walls, floorboards, windows, the whole 9 yards. The whole family chipped in. It was a family affair and we got it done. The only thing that sunk though, the guy was actually supposed to show up Monday morning and he didn't show up till late Monday afternoon. So that kind of irked my nerves a little bit, because I did want to film Monday. And then yesterday, you guys, Cadence went and took her temporary driving permit test. You guys, I cannot believe it. I have a daughter that is getting ready to finish her sophomore year in high school, has her temporary driver's license, and my insurance skyrocketed literally with the blink of an eye. $200, you all. $200 it went up. I'm just, yeah. So we're definitely looking into driving classes and something to get it to, lower back down just a little bit there. So yeah, it's been a busy past weekend and couple of days, but apparently that is not the only thing that raised around here, which brings me into what I wanted to talk to you guys about in today's video. And that is Jeffree Star's mystery boxes, you guys. So he is dropping a spring collection this year, which is the first time he's ever done this. He normally just does Valentine's Day boxes, but he skipped V-Day and now he's doing a spring collection. And yeah, we have a lot to talk about with that. And then also the F-Proof mascara. So yeah, I did a full review for you guys for this and I want to talk to you about it. I did do a try on, which we will be talking about later on in the video. Spoiler, is not F-Proof. And don't ask me how I know that, because you guys, come on, fill in the blanks a little bit here. You know what I'm saying? I can't, it's YouTube. We got to keep it PG around here. All right, so let's talk about the Jeffree Star mystery boxes, because you guys, I kind of have mixed feelings on this. I'm a little shocked, but I'm not shocked, and I have a little mixed feelings. And I'm curious to hear your all's opinion on this. So if you all haven't heard, the spring collection of mystery boxes will be dropping on April 2nd. So that is this Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, or 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is my time. So make sure if you do want one of these boxes, you do get on there, because sometimes they go quick, sometimes not, which I think is why he actually got rid of the $20 box. So normally there is a $20 mystery box, and he did away with it this year. He is not doing a $20 box, which really, again, it kind of surprised me, but then it kind of didn't, because if you guys remember, the last time he did the mystery boxes, which I want to say was the winter mystery boxes, he had a hard time selling out of the $20 boxes, which didn't surprise me, because it was $14.99 for shipping no matter what box you got. I got one of the largest boxes. Actually, I take that back. I didn't get the largest box. I think the largest box was already sold out. I got the medium box, but it was still almost $15 shipping. So yeah, that's crazy. If you get a $20 box, $14.99 shipping plus tax, I mean, that's almost $40. And then in the $20 box, there's normally only a couple of lipsticks and then a sticker sheet. So it's you might as well just get, because Jeffree Star's lipsticks are normally $20 anyways. So you can just catch them on a sale and get a better deal than that. So I'm not surprised that people weren't really gravitating towards those $20 boxes. But on the flip side of that, I also do know a lot of people don't have the money to get the bigger Jeffree Star mystery boxes, and they really enjoy just having that element of the mystery box and a Jeffree Star item. So I know that they're going to basically be missing out on that, which kind of sucks. So you guys know, I'll probably do a giveaway or something because I do kind of feel bad for those people that are going to miss out on that. So now instead of the $20 box being the starting point, the first box starting point is going to be the $70 box. And there's going to be two versions. And again, this is where I'm not surprised because I'm actually surprised that he hasn't done it already, to be honest. So there's going to be a regular like cosmetic version box. So for $70, you get $148 worth of product. And there's going to be 6 items, and that's going to be the blue box. So that's going to have like cosmetic items, stuff like that. And then there's going to be a green version, a 420 friendly version box, which same thing, it's $70, $148 value, and it's going to have 6 items in there. Now, my question is, I wonder if it's going to have a little bit of 420 friendly items, you know, and a mix of cosmetics, or if it's going to be all 420. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm very, very curious to see what comes in that box for sure. So there are 2 different versions of the premium $70 box. The next size box up from there is going to be the $100 box or the deluxe box. So that's the yellow one. And you guys, for $100, $229 value. So definitely expect to see some palettes in that box. I wouldn't be surprised if there's going to be palettes in every box. And I also wouldn't be surprised if you see like maybe he does something funny like the green palette in the green box, because he's been known to do stuff like that. So I wouldn't be surprised at all to see that. I wonder though, what do you guys think? Do you think he's going to put the Blood Money palette in one of these boxes? Since that is, I mean, basically his newest released palette. And it's one of the only ones that hasn't been in any of the boxes yet. So I'm really curious to see what happens with that. I really hope he doesn't put any of the eyeliners in. You guys, I'm just going to be honest. The eyeliners were terrible. I got the one in, what is it, Armored Truck. I hardly ever use it. It just not that pigmented. Was not a fan of it. Not my favorite product by any means. So yeah, back to the boxes though. Yellow box, $100. It's $229 value. The next size up from that is going to be for $160 with a 300. Am I seeing that right? Yes. $313 value, you guys, for 160 bucks. And that looks like the big one. That I'm trying to decide if I want to go for the yellow one or if I want to go for the pink one. I usually try to get the largest one, but I guess it really is just going to depend on what his shipping prices are, because he used to offer free shipping if you got the largest box. But the last couple of times he hasn't. Like, the shipping prices have been just nuts. $14.99. Like, that's just too much, Jeffree. Come on now. Like, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, I guess it kind of depends on what the shipping prices are going to be on what box I'm going to get. Now, there's even a next step up from there, you guys. So there is an extreme box. So the extreme box basically means you will get the pink box, the yellow box, and the blue box all for $300. Oh, I forgot to say, in the pink box is going to have 13 items. So 13 items in the pink box, 9 items in the yellow box, and then 6 items in the blue or green box. Green friendly, blue, cosmetic friendly. I don't know if there's going to be a mix in the green, as I said, but I think it's definitely going to be interesting to see what comes in each box for sure. But back to the extreme box, yes. So for $300, basically you can get all 3 boxes and save 30 bucks, because if you just get them all separately and put them in your cart, you're going to be paying $330. So that's definitely a massive savings on some Jeffree Star cosmetics. I don't think I'm going to do that one. That's just, it's too much for what's going on right now in my family and, you know, my insurance going up and all of that. I don't think I'm going to be able to swing the $300 this time. But, you know, I want to. You guys know I want to, but yeah, I'm probably kind of deciding right now between to get the yellow or the pink one. Let me know down below, which one would you rather see? Would you rather see the yellow one? Would you rather see the pink one? Would you rather see all 3 of them? I'm sure everybody would rather see all 3 of them. I would rather get all 3 of them, shit. All right, so again, these all will be releasing on April 2nd. Again, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time or 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm really excited for these. He's never done a spring box. I am really excited to see what is going to be in there. I hope he's going to have some of his newer products. I'm very curious also if he's going to put, you know, this in any of them. I'm going to guess that in the pink box, there is definitely going to be some kind of clothing item because, I mean, it looks like a bigger box for sure. So it's probably going to have some kind of clothing item. Now, he did say, of course, there will be some exclusive items in each box, and I would almost bet that one of the exclusive items in the pink and maybe even the yellow box is going to be some sort of clothing item. So he did say that these boxes were epic, but then again, he says that every time. So I don't know, you guys. I am definitely curious to see what is going to come in them. I hope I don't regret not getting all three. I really do. All right, so let's talk about the F-Proof mascara. So just to show you guys what it looks like, the package is just absolutely epic. I mean, I really do love it. And for $23, I will say this is very, very fairly priced for sure. I mean, I have mascaras, obviously, that cost more than $23 that don't even have half the quality of packaging that this does. So packaging alone, A++++. Not that I really, you know, am into the whole BDSM kind of thing. Not that I'm knocking it either, but yeah, I do love the packaging. And I didn't think that I was going to like the little thing. I thought I was going to have to unclip it because I didn't like it, but I actually do. It's kind of makes it a little easier because I like to hold it down here. So this is what the wand looks like, you guys. We'll show you. It is a very interesting wand for sure, but I mean, I do love it. This wand is probably one of my most favorite things about the mascara as far as like the formula goes and all that. I really do love the wand. Now, let's talk about the formula because there are definitely some things that I love about this mascara and there are some things that I don't like about this mascara. And yes, I do have it on. And I mean, as you can see, like it's definitely lengthening. It's definitely buildable. I do love the way it makes my lashes look. As a matter of fact, I even had my daughter compliment me yesterday on my lashes. With that being said, though, I did test it out all weekend long. So I wore it literally all day Saturday, all day Sunday. So I was running around, cleaning the house, all of that. And it did flake all over my face. I mean, literally by the end of the day, both days. And even yesterday when we were at the D&B, because we were there all day yesterday. When I got in the car, I took my mask off. I had like little black spots all over. As a matter of fact, I don't know if you guys can see, I have some right now. Look at that. Like, do you see those little black flakes? So yeah, it does flake off during the day. So that is one thing I don't like. Now, of course, you can just take a brush and just, you know, wipe it off or your finger or whatever they do. You know, very, very simply wipe off. And it is quite common with these types of mascaras. If you guys don't know, this is a tubing mascara. So basically what a tubing mascara is it literally forms on your lashes. And at the end of the day, you simply take it off by putting just a little bit of warm water on and it just kind of comes off in tubes. So that's what a tubing mascara is. It's pretty much waterproof for the most part, but not, you know what I'm saying? So if you cry, it will definitely come off. I mean, this one comes off. I've definitely shed some tears over the last few days. So it definitely comes off when you cry, but so does the Hourglass one. Like I have the Hourglass mascara. That's a tubing mascara, the one by Thrive Cosmetics. Same thing. And they both do the same thing. I also want to say they do flake. This one is probably the worst one. The Hourglass one, it takes a long time. Like, I mean, it only flakes if you're wearing it for 12 hours. But if you're just doing a normal 7 to 8 hour day, it doesn't really flake that bad. Same thing with the Thrive Cosmetics one. It doesn't flake nearly as bad as this one. So I do think he does need to tweak this formula a little bit as far as that is concerned. But the way that it actually applies on your lashes, and I'm going to show you guys this clip right here, it separates your lashes and coats them so easily. So obviously you don't have to build them up quite to this extent. You can just put one coat on. It will really, again, get in there, separate your lashes. I do like that you can get in there and wiggle it back and forth and create that black base at the base of your lashes. And I love the wand of this thing. That is probably my most favorite thing. Like after this mascara runs out or dries out, I'm going to keep this wand and use it for other mascaras. And I may even just take it out and use it with another formula because, I mean, again, the formula of this is good. It's not my all-time favorite by any means, but it's definitely good. It's up there. It's not all the way up there, but it's up there. And it's not all the way down there with my least favorite ones. So I do wish he would make a couple of tweaks on it. Now, with all of that being said, I also do want to say that I do love after you take it off, my lashes felt so conditioned. And I mean, they did not break off at all. They're very wispy, very movable. I mean, and that's part of why you get the little black flakes, because of just how movable and wispy they are. I mean, they're very natural looking, and you can create a very natural lash with this mascara, which is, again, one of the things that I like. The only thing is, I just don't like the little black things. That's the biggest thing. So if you could just maybe tweak it a little bit to where I could get 3 coats and build up to this level of lash without getting the little flaky things throughout the day, it would be my all-time perfect mascara. No joke. So that is how I feel about the F-Proof mascara. Let me know down below if you had a similar experience with it. What did you think? Did you pick it up? Are you thinking about picking it up? I do know that it is sold out currently. I know it took a couple of days to sell out on Beautylish. I think it sold out on his website first, and then Beautylish still had it on there. Because I remember him announcing it on Instagram saying he was sold out, and I got on Beautylish, and I'm like, you're not sold out yet. You still got some on Beautylish, sweetie. So, but it did eventually sell out on Beautylish. So I do know he is going to, of course, restock it. And I am very interested to see if he is going to drop it in one of the mystery boxes. Let me know down below about the mystery boxes. What do you guys think about that? Are you going to be picking one up? If so, which one are you eyeing? What do you think I should get? I don't know, you guys. I don't know which one I want to get, because it's like I love getting them, but I also have almost everything that he has released. But at the flip side, I do like doing giveaways with the products for you guys. So I don't know. Let me know down below. What is your opinion? What do you think I should get? What would you want to see me unbox? That is all I have for you guys for today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned, because I have some good stuff coming for you guys. I have a skincare dupes video, you all, that I have been working on, no joke, for probably at least 7 months solid. That is finally ready to go. I have a couple of mystery boxes here that they're just sitting here waiting for me to film them. And I got a giveaway for you guys. I've got so many things. I'm really, really excited. Oh, favorites and fails. And Sephora VIB Rouge sale is coming up. I have an all about tips and tricks on how to make the most of that sale. And when I say make the most of that sale, I mean like how to get free products, how to get cash back, like truly make the most out of that sale to where you're spending the least amount of money, because y'all know I'm a penny pincher, like no shame in my game when it comes to that. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned, you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet and you are new here, welcome. We would love for you to join the family. Definitely look forward to more content, you guys, because I am literally, as soon as I get done filming this and getting it up for you guys, I am filming more for you tonight. And I'm really excited. I'm really excited to see you guys. And Steve's got the next couple of days off, which is unheard of. And I can actually sit down and film some stuff for you guys. So I'm very, very excited. So until next time, you guys, see ya.